Hey guys, I just wanted to come on and show you guys how to make Scribe tools, and with this tutorial I will also show you or tell you where I get all of my supplies so you guys can purchase your own, and then at the end I will show you some different style of silicone beads that are available, as well as some other options you'll have available to you through us as well. So let's get started. First thing you're going to need to make a scribe tool is an actual scribe. You can buy these on Amazon. These are stainless steel, so they will not rust, and they are dishwasher safe. So you'll need this. You can usually buy them in packs of like 6 or 8, all the way up to I believe I bought them before a pack of 50. So it's completely up to you. And they also have different styles of tops too. So these are the ball tops, but they also have loops. They've got some that are rainbow color. They've got some that are gold. So there's quite a few variations. They even have some with shapes on the top too. The other thing that you will need are earring backs so that you can hold the scribe together, the beads on the scribe I mean. And so I have 2 different styles that I purchase. You've got these, and they come in a pack of 1,000. So there's definitely a lot here to, these will last you a while. So these are very, very small. I don't know if you can actually see them, but these are just some really very, very basic earring backs here. And this is what I use to put on the tip of my scribe tool so that you can avoid poking yourself. And then I also buy these ones that are a little bit fancier looking, and these are what I use to actually hold the beads in place. They're kind of faceted, so they give it a little bit more of a fancier look. Okay, so those are what you need, the basics of what you'll need. You will also need silicone beads. So these are what I'm going to be working with today. So they have several different shapes, which I will show you at the end, but we're going to be working with hexagons today, as well as a couple of small circle beads, a little bit bigger size circle bead here, and then we've got a saucer, and I forgot what these are called, but they're basically two different saucers. One is just kind of looks more of like a UFO, and this one is just thicker, but it's the top, where the hole is flat. And when you do these, it's just kind of preference. So for instance, for me, preference wise, I prefer to have my scribes go from having like a saucer or a small bead at the top, and then going from here biggest to smallest. And I only do 4 beads on my scribes because I don't like having too much down here where I'm trying to hold the bead. I also will never put one of these saucers down lower because it gets in the way for me when I'm decorating cookies. But the nice thing for you, if you do these, is you can do them however you want to do them. So let me get started and show you how to put one together. Okay, so you're going to take your scribe tool needle here, and then like I said, I usually put one small one at the top, so you can do a small bead like this. You can do one of the saucer beads like these. So for me, I'm just going to do, I think I'm going to just do this one here, and then this is where it gets hard for me when I'm trying to pick color, so I usually will grab a couple different ones that I think I might like, and just kind of play around. If I don't like it, then I can just pull it all apart and start over again. So far this looks good to me. Let me see if I like this one. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that one looks pretty good, I think. So I'm going to leave that one be, and then this one, I'll do this cream and then the brown. Taupe brown, and then yellow. And then if you decide, oh, I do not like that, I'm going to try something else, before you secure them, you can switch it up. and maybe put these together or and these together. But I like it the other way, so I'm gonna switch it back. Okay. Now that you've got your colors all prepared and you like the way they look, I'm gonna do these ones as well. Then you can take these and get your earring backs out. Okay, so these ones are for the pointed part of your scribe, and these are the ones that I use to hold the beads together. So you're just gonna hold on to your scribe beads like this, and then you're gonna take your tiny, tiny little earring back and slide it onto the tip of your scribe. Be careful not to poke yourself. I've done it many, many times. And then generally I will put the ball of my scribe down on a flat surface, and then take my minuscule fingernails and push it down. Be careful not to push it too hard like I just did, because it will disappear into your bead. So you don't have to get too aggressive with it. The nice thing about these is you can take them off and then you can wash them, because sometimes you'll get icing in between the beads. If you want to completely take it apart, you can wash it, bleach them, whatever you want to do, set it aside to dry, and they're ready to go. So there's that one, and then we'll just put the tip of it on here like this, and then you're ready to go. And you can send these as gifts. If you have classes, these are great for classes, for gifts for your students. I know a lot of people that do that. You can sell them like we do. I know a lot of other people do as well. And you can kind of go crazy with them with so many different color combinations. You can do different shapes. You can do like logo colors, pretty much endless. You can get shorter ones. They sell shorter ones, and you can use those as like appetizer picks for a party. Let's see. So last one. All right. As you can see, they're pretty easy to do. The hardest part, generally for me, is just picking the colors. But I usually will use Pinterest, or there's an Adobe has a website where you can it's called Color, I think, where they help you pick colors that go together. I also sometimes you will use Procreate, that has a tool that you can use colors that go well together as well. So some of the other beads you can go with. I use Kara & Co. That company's my favorite one. So usually that's the only company I actually buy from. They have several different kind of beads you can purchase, and so recently they just came out with they have plants. So of course you guys know I love plants. So there's a cactus, and then they have a monstera leaf, and all these really cool, beautiful fall colors. And I love dark colors, so I'm kind of like that fall color girl all year long. So they have those pretty plant ones, and then they have ones like this one where it's marble, and they have in every bead they sell the marble. And then they have metallic, so they have, this one is I think pearl, and then they have gold, and they have silver, and like a red bronze color. I love these ones too. These are fun. They also carry ribbed beads too, and I use these occasionally too as a replacement for, instead of maybe putting this here, I would put a ribbed bead there, just to give it a little more interest. And then they have speckled beads too. So there's this pink one it's got like navy blue speckles in it, and then black and white, or white with black speckles, which I really like. Another option for you, if you guys do not want to buy a whole bunch of supplies, you don't want to order a whole bunch of beads, or you don't know what colors you want to do, there's another option. We sell Scribe Tool Kits on our website. The Scribe Tool Kit includes, I might as well just open one. Oops. The Scribe Tool Kit includes 2 scribes, as well as the beads you'll need. So, and I've picked the beads for you with color combinations that work well together. So it comes with all these beads that you would need, and you can arrange them however you want. And then it also comes with the earring backs as well, so that you have enough for both scribes. You have one that holds the beads, and then you have the one to go at the tip of the scribe tool. So lots of options. And yeah, so if you guys decide to make a scribe tool using our tutorial, make sure you tag us on Instagram and show us what you made. We love to see everything you guys create. And that's it. Have a great day.